Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, July 11th. The Zen story for today is titled The Uncarved Block. In a quiet mountain village, an elderly woodcarver named Sora was known for his intricate sculptures. His hands, weathered by decades of work, could shape wood into lifelike animals, flowing rivers, and even the delicate folds of a monk's robe. One day, a young apprentice arrived at his workshop, eager to learn. "Master," he said, "what is the most difficult thing to carve?" Sora placed his hand on an untouched block of wood. "This." The apprentice frowned. "But it is nothing yet." Sora smiled. "Exactly." For weeks, the apprentice watched as the master carved. Each piece took shape with effortless precision. Yet the untouched block remained in the corner. One day, curiosity overtook him. "Master, why haven't you carved that block?" Sora ran his fingers along the grain of the wood. "Because not everything must be shaped. Sometimes the greatest beauty is in what is left untouched." The apprentice struggled with the idea. He spent years trying to master the perfect carving, but the block in the corner remained as it was. When Sora passed away, the villagers gathered to honor him. The apprentice, now grown, stood in the workshop. He looked at the unfinished wood, then ran his hands along its surface, just as his master once had. For the first time, he saw the lines of the grain, the knots and swirls, the quiet perfection of what had never been altered. And so he placed the block on the altar, uncarved, as it had always been. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. Remember, there is no need to change anything. Simply observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Do we improve everything by shaping it? Or is there value in leaving something untouched? Do we improve everything by shaping it? Or is there value in leaving something untouched? Where in your life do you try to change what is already whole? Where in your life Do you try to change what is already whole? Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And as always, I encourage you to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.